Now we don't have a ton of unglazed and unfired work in the studio. In fact, all of these have been fired at least once. But these two pieces have been through a bisque firing, and then their surface is paint, right? So I show you this little critter guy thing because the artist has done a nice job of blending the paint, right? We have a light blue and then it fades to the dark blue. We have the orange and the yellow and the red on the inside. And this person just took their time. They used acrylic paint, little tubes of it you can buy at any store that sells varieties of paint, Michael's or Walmart or whatever. And that's a way you can finish bisqueware. I wouldn't recommend painting greenware because it's going to slake if it gets wet, and it's a whole lot more fragile. This person also used paint, and one of the fun things you can see in hers is she actually used this like glitter paint as well. So some of the stuff just has acrylic, and then sometimes you can get textures or different materials in those paint jars, in those little paint tubes. And then this piece over here has actually been fired both with bisque firing and a glaze firing because these parts are glazed. But what I wanted to show you is this texture here. This is a paper that's been glued onto the surface, or lots of little bits of paper. And so the paper itself creates this other kind of texture, something that's a little unexpected in working with clay.